I welcome you all. In this video, I'm going to explain about the M-Script for plotting circle with given center and radius. This is for Matlab beginners. To start, click this tab, New Script. Editor window will open. Whenever while writing a script, first we have to follow two commands, clear all, which will clear all previously saved variables in workspace, and then CLC, which will clear all previous commands in command window. Then x comma y, center of the circle, I am taking it as 0 comma 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then radius of the circle r, I am taking it as 5 centimeter. Then theta, I am going to vary it from 0 to 2 pi. 0 is to pi by 50 is to 2 into pi. Yes. Now x comma y of the circle, x unit equal to r cos theta, r into cos of th plus center. Then y unit equal to r sin theta, sin of th plus center y. Yes. So now x and y of circle is given. Now let us plot the circle. Plot of x unit comma y unit. Then I am going to give title for this plot. Title of circle with given center and radius. Yes. Now the script is ready. Let us execute this. For that, click this tab, Run. It will ask to save the script before executing. So I am giving the name as sample circle. Save it. It is getting executed. Yes, the circle has been plotted with the center 0 comma 0 and radius as 5. Let us change the center and radius and we'll see. 10 comma 10 center point and radius I am taking it as 50. Execute this. Yes, center is 10 comma 10 and the radius is 50. This video is for beginners. You can try this script executing it in your Matlab. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.